This is your host, Ryan, and you're listening to another podcast. Looking for flat roof repair services in Temecula? See ya. Let's discuss Woolbright's roofing and construction. They ensure to provide top-notch solutions for commercial and residential flat roofs. Their expert team handles leaks, cracks, and membrane damage. They inspect issues first before they get worse. You get repair, restoration, and full roofing support in one place. They have 30 years of experience in providing reliable workmanship. Their services are crafted in order to enhance roof life and save long-term costs. Visit woolbrightsroofing.com to explore more.